of GitLabs or Git. So can anyone nominate them who has already having ID with laptop ready? Hello. Yes, Saim. Can you share? Saim bhai? Okay. Go to gitlab.com. Okay. And hope you created the password also, right, Saim bhai? Okay. Can you create a new project? Go to projects. Create a new project. No, no. Blank, blank. You are not audible. Okay. Take new workspace, fresh workspace. I want you to take fresh workspace. Can you go to Eclipse? File?
Eclipse, huh?
Yeah. File?
Okay, okay, because I have done this already.
No, no, just let it be there. File, switch workspace. You can do that. File?
File.
Yeah.
Okay.
Switch workspace.
Which workspace?
Yeah. So create new one. Just no, others. Take others. Take others. Yeah. So just add something slash ws something. Okay. Say okay.
Slash, you need a slash or dash?
Yeah. Slash.
Inverted, huh? This one or this one slash?
Yeah. It's fine. It's fine. You can say okay. Launch. Let's see how we can do the fresh project when we are creating it. Okay. So now close the welcome window. Maximize it. Yeah. Close the welcome window. Yeah. So now go to Git perspective.
One.
Others, and go to Git.
Plus.
No, there only. Windows perspective. Open perspective. Others. Okay. Select the Git. Open. Okay. Go back to your browser window. Create a new project with some name. Okay. Let it be there. No issues. Select. Come down. Select public instead of private. Okay. So now create project. Yeah. I think you need to select something. Yeah.
Shall I make it this?
Yeah.
Groups.
You can choose any. Yeah. Even you can create new groups, but okay. The create project. Okay. Now your project is ready, right?
Okay.
Now go to clone. Click the clone. Right side.
Code.
Clone code. Yeah. And then clone with HTTPS. Copy that line. Second. Yeah.
Yeah, second only.
Yeah. So go back to your IDE, Eclipse
Okay.
IDE. Yeah.
Here?
Yeah. Now click right click somewhere. You can click that one also, but clone. Yeah. Clone. Now clone URI. Right. Now give your username and password in down username and password. Yeah. Give the password and select store in secure store also. Yeah. Next. So your username or password something is wrong. So you
Okay.
should not give Gmail one. Okay.
Okay.
Gmail password you cannot give. Okay. Go back. I think you have not created the password.
Yeah.
Second,
I
go
think
to
I just logged in with Gmail.
yeah. So you go back to your browser. Yeah, here you can go to your profile. Right side, last you can see one image.
Profile.
No, right side last you can see your one image will be the right side.
Okay. Profile,
Yeah,
huh?
yeah. Here itself, you can left side you can see passwords.
Projects.
No. Right. First select your profile first. Yeah, you are there only. So now go to security.
Passwords here. Is there available? Set
Yeah, edit profile. Can
status.
you select edit profile? Edit profile.
Which? Edit
Edit profile.
profile. Huh?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Let's see. Yeah. So here you can see right side. You can see password. Yeah. Yeah. Give your password here. So everyone should do this. You should have password with you. Okay. Save password. Okay. Now go back to your Eclipse again.
Exit, huh?
No, let it be there. You can log in as Google here. No problem.
Okay. Next.
Yeah, go to projects. I want to see the
Yeah,
project.
copy PR URL. Huh?
Yeah. Already you're having project with you, right? So click projects.
Okay.
I think you're having project with you. You create one project. Yeah, click it. Click it. So code, go to code and
Copy.
copy. Okay. So now again, you are already having there. You can give username and password. Otherwise, go back.
Here.
Yeah, your Eclipse. Yeah. Clone. Now clone URI. Next. Give your username and password.
It was at the rate of user ID. Shall I create
Yeah, it's
at the
fine. It's
rate?
enough. It's good. And it
Oh,
not required. Okay. So just say next now. So now you can see
main.
one branch. I will tell you what is this branch in later stages. Okay, next. Okay, finish. So give it a minute. So you will get it. Okay, say yes. So if you want this first time you are logging in, you can give security questions. Otherwise, you can skip by canceling it. Okay, now expand the project and write. Just let it be there. Don't do anything now. Okay, go back to your uh,
Eclipse.
Windows
We are.
perspective.
Uh,
So till now everyone did right. So we did the clone only. We haven't done anything. Okay. So now ignore this. Minimize it. I will tell you don't come here until unless I'm saying to you. Okay. So now create one Java project in Eclipse. Go to your Windows, open perspective, open
Think your
perspective,
open perspective, okay?
open perspective, and go to your Java perspective, normal one. Resources are there, right? Go to resource, top one. Yeah. So now you are in. Now create a project, Java project. You give some name. For example, SIS. Give some SIS something. Okay. So now say next and make it finish. Finish it. Okay. And now you're having, yeah, open perspective. Yeah, you can go do. So now you're having Java project with you, right? So now expand it. So you're having nothing, right? So it's a new project.
Yeah.
So we are good here. Okay. So now get back to your GitLabs, because what will happen is whenever you are creating any GitLab, it will create one branch which is called main. Okay. So main branch is very secure. You cannot able to modify it. Okay. So it will be secure. You cannot able to commit it. So what we need to do is we need to make unprotected as of now. In future, I will tell you we should not make it unprotected. As of now, we'll make it unprotected. Okay. Go back to your GitLabs. Go to your left side, is there, right? So you can go to repositories. Come to code.
Huh?
Come to code. No,
Code.
left side itself menu. Yeah. So here you can see. Come down. Repository. Go to repository.
What is the meaning of repository?
It is a collection of projects. Okay.
Okay,
So
okay.
we'll discuss it. Can you open branch once? Branch here. After repository, you're having branch. I will
Branch.
no, after repository you're having branch. Yeah, click it. Yeah. So you can see like you are having one branch which is called main, right? So can you open it?
Hmm.
Open the branch, main branch.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, you're having only no, go, don't go to commits, go to
Okay.
branch,
Yeah.
branches itself. No, left side you're having branch, right? Stay there. Code.
Okay.
Yeah, code branches.
Hmm.
Open
Yeah.
main branch.
Main
Main,
here,
click the
okay.
main one.
Here, huh?
Yeah,
This is copy. This. Okay.
click. So there should be some configuration. Let me see once. Can you come down once? Come down. This one, I want to make it unprotected. Let me. Can you go to manage once? Manage once. Top. Manage. Yeah.
Hmm.
Let me
Can I?
share
Yeah,
my
yeah.
screen for a few minutes. 1 minute.
Yeah. Okay, I will just disconnect.
Yeah. What branches? Branch. Is wait a second. Branch. To make it unprotected. Go. Yesterday event. I forgot. Okay, let me go to branch directly. Okay. So, can you share your screen again?
Yeah.
Now, go to your GitLabs. Yeah. So now you can see the settings, right? Then the down settings is there.
Okay.
Yeah. Go to repository branches here, or repository or branches. Yeah. Yeah. Here you can see protected branches. Can you expand it? Protected branches.
Okay.
Come down.
Protected tags here.
No. Branches. Go up. Yeah.
Protected branches.
Yeah. So can you expand it? Yeah. So you make it unprotected? Yeah.
Okay.
So why I am doing is like I will tell you the theory about this later, because whenever you are creating a main branch, it's a very expensive branch. So no one should mistakenly also modify it. But as of now, we are learning it, so I'm making it as unprotected. But in future, we'll not do this. Okay. So now go back to your code. Seema. Now you create right click, create one class, any class like calculator, new.
I'll just make hello class.
Yeah. Create one package also. I would suggest to create one project package, small cases. So it should be
This
small.
is okay, okay,
com.abc.
okay, 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 okay.
Yeah. So finish it.
Finish. Public
Yeah.
static void main.
Yeah. Okay. Let it be there. So I want someone else to modify it. So let it be there. Okay. So now you're having a class with you, right? So now right click your project. Right click your project. Yeah. Team. Right. Share project. It's the first time when you are doing, right? So first you need to clone the repository and you need to share the project repository. Okay. Share. Then now you can see like you're having a project with you. So repository is there in second part, right? Select that part, repository, repository drop down,
Repository.
drop down. First line, first drop down. Yeah, select it. Yeah, select it. Yeah. So now you click finish. Yeah. So now you connected with this project with the Git repo. So now you need to push it. Okay. Right click and push the project. Right click, team, commit, top one, top. Yeah. So now you can see, can you expand the down one, bottom one? So now you can see like two stages are there. Which files I want to copy, which files I no need to copy. That you need to decide here. Select all, or you can click plus plus. Yeah, click it. Plus plus. Two pluses are there in green color.
Two pluses here.
Yeah, click it. Yeah. So all the files you are going to commit now. Okay. So give the message. This is my first project in right side. This you are giving comment what you are going to do with that one. So now you can see in right side author is coming, right? So author is Dell, but it should be your name, right? So can you give remove the Dell and give your name? No, don't remove everything. Control Z, because you need to follow the same format. Okay. So just follow Saeem Khan there. It's a name. Okay, display name, and other part of this is your email ID. right? Don't need to give as of now, but just give Saim Khan your name. So we can make it permanent also. I will show you how we can do later stages. Okay. So now you're having two things, commit and push, right side buttons. Right? Right last
Commit
down,
here.
bottom. Right last. Yeah. Commit and push.
What shall I do?
Commit and push. So your code got committed. Okay. So now can you go back to your Git repo? You can see your project there. Go to your project. See your project came here. Right? So Saim Khan project is there. So now what Saim Bhai did is like he created his project. So now what he will do is he will give permission to someone. Okay. So now go open to repository again, Saim Bhai. Yeah. Right. So no, go to settings. Go to settings. Previously you went right like that. Settings. Right. Members, add members. Is there?
General repository.
Go to repository. So you can see members.
Branch rules.
No, I think we need to go to branches.
Branches.
1 minute. Let me check here. 1 minute. Give me a minute. Where we need to go. Okay. So go to manage in top. Manage. Yeah. Members. Members. Yeah. So now you are the only person who is having here, right? So now you can click invite. Right side invite button is there. Okay. Now what Saimba is doing is he is giving permission to other team member. Srikanth, can you give your ID? As you are you lifted the hand first, right?
Yeah, sure, sir.
So just tell the ID here. He will type it.
1 second.
So now what Saim Bhai is doing is he is giving permission to another user to modify his code and or update his code. Okay. So what he's doing is adding members of team. Okay. So Srikanth is one of the project
I
from
will
his
paste
team
in
member.
our chats.
Yeah.
Just open chat.
Yeah. So Saim Bhai, can you copy his name? Yeah. And give permission to him. So don't say okay until unless I am asking you. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So now you can see like his role. Yeah, click it. Yeah, select it. Now you can see role is there. Select a role. Guest is only he can able to read. He cannot do anything. But I want him to commit the code, right? So I can use developer or maintainer. So go to maintainer, give maintainer one. Yeah. So now he can give the role of him. Now he can modify, he can update whatever he want, he can do. And he can give the date also. Saim Bhaiya is the owner. He is giving permission to him. Don't give date. So let it be there. So now click invite. So now we are good. Now you can see like member added by Saim Bhaiya. So now can you open your share your screen, Srikanth?
Sure, sir.
So now what we are doing, Saim Bhai created one project. He is the owner of the project. So he committed his initial version. Now he given access to Saim Bhaiya, right? Saim Bhai given access to Srikanth. Now Srikanth, what he is doing, he is going to check out the code from Saim Bhaiya. So how you will do? Let's see. So open your Eclipse first. So even keep open your Eclipse always when we are connecting. Okay, so it will save some time.
Sure.
So now Srikanth can see like he will be having one project with him. Let's see. So it's showing sign in only. So can you refresh and sign in again? You can see in left side, join project, right? So right side, you can see join project, Saim Khan group, Saim Khan. Can you click that link in down? Yeah.
This one, sir.
So 1 minute ago, Saim Khan given permission to Srikanth. Now Srikanth is able to see all his projects. Okay, so in that particular repository, right? So now you can click code, and then you can copy the second URL, right? So now you can check out the code, go to Eclipse, do the same process what we did yesterday. Okay, so now go to Git perspective. Now clone, right click and clone. Okay, clone URI. Now give your username and password. Gmail not okay, you can give your ID itself. Even you can give your use Gmail also, but I would recommend to go with your ID.
Okay.
So same branch came, right? So now
ऑफ कर रहा ना पानी गर्म करके क्या ऑफ कौन था
Srikanth, can you unmute yourself? Yeah, I muted you.
Yeah, am I audible, sir?
Yeah. So go back to your screen. So now you can see working tree is there, right? Don't expand the working tree. You want the project SIS, right? So right click and expand the SIS. So now you can see you want SIS project. Right click and import the project SIS. So whatever, you can have multiple projects in one repository. Based on that, you can check out. Okay. So now you can click finish. Right now you go to there. Same project is with you now.
Yes.
Okay. Now what you do is you just open SIS Hello World.
Yes.
Now do some add some lines here like sys out hello Saim. So now you are modifying the code shared by Saim here, right? So now save it. Do some format, Control A, Control Shift F.
Okay. Yes.
So you can remove to-do line. Control D will delete the line. Okay, so you can have shortcuts. Okay, now you modified the code done by same here. So now you need to push this code. How you'll do? Right click the project.
Just
Teams.
Teams.
Yeah. Come down. Yeah, down.
Yeah. Can I
So
go with
hope you're
commits?
following. It is a practical session which we are doing, right? So commit.
Yeah.
So can you expand it? Yeah. So just don't commit it. Just double click hello.java and down. Yeah. So you can see what are the changes you did.
Yes, sir.
Right. Expand it and show others that what you modified. Right. So you deleted one line and you added one more line. Right. So now go up and commit the changes. You one comment. I modified same code. Okay. Just add like that. Okay. So now
Is there anything where we can just check how it is modified, where what it is modified? Because
you can see
index
here.
first it is saying hello Java, it is saying second.
Yes. So you can see like green color is new line added. Okay. So can you go back, show that screen? So now you can see right side is the committed codes by Saim. Okay. Top you can see hello.java. You can see Saim Khan is coming. Right. It's committed by Saim. Left side you can see so edited by local. Right. This is the Srikant changes. Green line is added. If you are having red line, it's a deleted. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now just add the comment and commit. I will show you in a gitlab also the changes. Okay, so you added the comment also, right? Then you can click commit and push.
Just user ID.
Yeah. So give your reason. Select secure store also because that will help you to not. It will not ask again. Okay.
Okay.
So I want another person to be get ready now. Who is there with open Eclipse with little fast laptop? No, say no. Okay. So now your code is committed, right? So now let's go back to Saim Bhaiya. Saim Bhaiya, can you share your screen? Okay. So now you can see like two users are here, right? So now just go to your repository. Now can you open SAS project, right? So now you can see what changes are done, right? So previously it was not there. Now Srikant added that line. Red line is deleted, right? Two deletions happened. One empty line he deleted, and he deleted the comment, right? You can see in top showing change file, right? So one addition happened and two deletions happened, right? You can see that first line showing good green color and red color, right? So one change happened. Who did the changes? Can you keep the mouse there? Right? So then green keep. So now what you can do is like if you want to add the comment, right? You can add the comment by clicking that particular comment button. You can see one right side, left side, one button is you can click and you can say at the rate. You can say Srikant, not Saim Khan. You are Saim Khan, right? So you want to convey something to Srikant, right? So at Srikant. So why you change the code? You can mention. You can ask the question. Yeah, you can comment it. Comment bottom. So this is the way developers will communicate with each other. We'll be having review process. We'll see in detail, right? So now code change, what happened, who did the changes, everything you can see. at what time they did the changes, all those things you can see here. Okay. So now let's go back to your Eclipse, Saimya. Now your changes are not, Pandi changes are not there here, right? So can you open Eclipse? Help double click it. So Pandi changes are not here, right? So how you'll get it? Right click the project, theme, and pull. First pull. Yeah. So now you can see who committed the changes, who did the changes, and then you can you are having changes with you. Right? Now who want to nominate anyone else? Let's go with Huzaifa. Huzaifa. So meanwhile, let's same way. Can you give permission to Huzaifa? Go to your repository and add member. No, not here, not here. You need to go to repo in browser. Browser. Yeah. Here go to manage members. Invite member. Huzaifa, can you give your name, ID?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You paste you message to Saim here. Yeah. So you can give permission to her. You developer role, developer. Okay. So invite. Now, Huzaifa, can you share your screen?
Sir.
So now third developer added. Okay. So his role is different. Why, what is the difference? We'll discuss it later, but we are having different levels. One is owner, second one is maintainer, and third one is developer, right? Guest is the lowest role. Don't go with that. Mostly we'll use these three roles only. Okay. So normally client will be having, like, technical client will be there. He will be the owner of the code, right? So second one is the maintainer. Maintainer is a project manager or technical architect who will manage all those things. And developer, we are all the developers, right? We will be having developer roles only in real time. Okay. So now, Huzaifa, you can see the project with you. So if you're going to come down, can you maximize it? Yeah, go to projects, click the projects. Yeah, you can see in down, right? Same con not came.
No, sir.
So can you go to
Maybe
your
I need to log in once again.
just refresh it. Let's see. So go to home once, click home. Yeah, come down. Or same given to some other project. Yeah, Yeah, you can see. Saim Khan. Yeah, click it. So now you can see Saim Khan project came to you, right? So SIS is there. Now you can see all the details. Now just to check out this code, how you can do that? Go back. Yeah. So select the code, clone it.
1 minute, sir.
It's closed. Can you share again?
Yeah, 1 minute, sir.
Yeah. So hope everyone following. Anyone is having question, let me know. So how the projects will get shared, how you can commit the changes, right? So how you can pull the changes. So all those things will happen like this. Okay. Go to code and clone it. Click the code. Select HTTPS.
Yes, sir.
Now go back to your Eclipse. So whenever you're going to any company, the first thing they will give is GitHub repository, right? So they will give the link. After that, it's your responsibility to check out the code and understand the code. Okay. Now go back to your Eclipse.
Yes, sir. I'm at Eclipse only, sir.
I don't see your Eclipse. I'm just seeing your browser. Can you stop and restart sharing
Yes, sir.
again? Yeah, I can see your Eclipse now. Just go back to your Git perspective.
Yes, sir.
We don't see your Git perspective. So you've done a lot of projects. Very good. Mhm. Can you share your Eclipse? Yeah. No, ma, share your Eclipse. Just you copied the URL, right? Now go to Eclipse and share. Open your Eclipse. Now go to Git perspective. Windows, open perspective and Git perspective. Open. Yeah. Others, Git perspective. Yeah. Now right click and check out Symbiose code. First time clone. Okay. So now clone URI. Next. So you already copied. So details will appear here. Give username and password. Next. Finish. Expand the project. Expand the working tree. Yeah. Click. You want SIS project. So just right click SIS project. Import project. So finish. Go to your Java perspective back. How to go to Java perspective? Yes. Anything you can select. Yeah, click it. So now minimize all your projects. You can click minus left side, right? Yeah. So now you can see SAS project is there. Simcon
Yes, sir.
main, right? Now can you expand? Okay, hello. Now you add your own class, another class. Right click and create new class. Now let's see how will be there when you are modifying and adding new class. Okay, right click, new class. Just create a calculator. Finish. Just add a int sum a, int sum b, something. Same one method you can add int sum. Yeah, so anything else. And brackets int a, int b, small int b should be small. Okay, int a, int b, brackets close, return a plus b. Okay, one code written by you, right? So now you also modify hello Java. Open it. Just call your calculator here. Okay, this out c dot sum. In 2030, yeah, something. Yeah, so you add it next. Now save it. So now what she did is she created one file and she added a she updated one file, right? So now how we can change, right? So now right click and commit the changes. Right click the project. No, SAS. Click the right click the project. Team. Go to team and commit. Can I expand? So now you can see like uh, question mark in left side, right? So what is question mark means? Where is your another file? I think you did not saved hello Java. I don't see that you saved hello Java. Control S. Save it. You haven't changed the calculator also you didn't save it. Save it.
Yes, sir.
Always use Control S or Control Shift S, which will save your code. Okay. So now you can see like there are two things here. So one
Yes,
is
sir.
with question mark, right? Unstack changes. You can see one with question mark. Question
Yes,
mark
sir.
means it's a new file. It's not there in Git. And you can see one yellow box is there in a hello.java, right? So and it is having one arrow key. Arrow keys means modified. Okay. So now if you want to see what are the changes, you need to double click it. Double click the changes. Hello.java. So can you maximize and show to the team, right? So now you can see you added one new line and two lines, right? So now you know what are the changes. Can you click the calculator also? Because it's a new one, you cannot see two parts. Only one part will come. Right? Right side is nothing because this file is first time you created, right? So now click plus plus. So if you want to add all, you can click plus plus. Now add the comment. I added calculator to Saim Bhai project. Okay, now click commit and push. Give your username and password. Select secure store also because it will keep on asking you passwords. Oh, okay. Now committed. Okay. So we are good now. So now, Srikanth, can you open your screen again?
Yes, sir.
Now 3 people are working on this project. Okay. So can you close all the windows? This compare windows. No, compare. No, not there. In Eclipse. Just close the tabs. Compare. Close the tabs. Yeah. Right click, close all. Yeah. So now you are having pressed, right? So now you want to take the changes from all these 2 people. So what you need to do?
Just I need to go to project.
Yeah.
I need to pull that
Changes.
user
Correct.
code, right, sir?
Correct. Right click.
Teams. Go to first pool.
Now you can see the changes also, who committed and what they did. Okay. So wait for a minute. It's loading actually. So now you
Yes.
can see I added calculator.
Yeah, calculators to
So who did
Simon's
this?
project. User.
Right. You can see Wasif Nawaz Sheikh because
Yeah.
she haven't changed the name which is there, right? So now it's coming like with laptop name, but I would suggest always go with your email ID so that it will help, right? So now there are some other changes also there in previously, which we merged with Saim Bhaiya code and calculator code from 2 people, right?
Yes.
So now you can say close. Now just check whether those changes in your system. Yeah, calculator came to your system.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So all people code is with you now. Everyone can modify it and everyone can pull the code. Right? But Saim is the owner, he can give access, he can remove the access. And Saim by except Saim by no one can control this project, right? So if he want, he can remove both of you, he can add new members, but you cannot do anything to him, even because he is the admin and owner of the project. Understood, right?
Yes, sir.
Now let's go a little more in detail. I just want to know anyone is having question in this process. Hussein?
Sir, I'm clear, sir.
Shwab?
Clear, sir.
Sir, I have a small doubt.
Yeah.
In members, it will show remove member in for me also. For
Just
this
try to remove
project
Saim.
member only.
Try to remove Saim.
No, I'm not able to remove Saim.
Yes,
I'm
because you
only
are
able
having the
to.
higher role, then
Okay.
you are maintainer, right? So when Huzaifa is opening, she cannot able to remove this. She's not having that role
Okay, sir.
because she's a developer. You are maintainer, right? So
Yeah.
you are a project manager role. Owner is a
Yes,
client.
yes.
Almost client or some senior technical architect will be the same Khan, right? So you are working under him. He given you access, and you can you can add members also. Okay, so can you see whether you can add members? Can go up. I think you cannot add members. I think owner only can
Yes,
add you.
no,
You can
invite
invite
members
members.
is there, sir. Yeah.
You can invite members, right? So even you can import
Okay.
different projects.
Okay.
So actually, it is only for 5 members for
Mhm.
one. So please, that's why I didn't given all the access to that particular one. Okay, so maximum we
Sure,
can
sir.
give 5 members as a
Mhm.
free. So even all are clear, right? So Sana,
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
okay, Umar, I want to go to little more theory after this. So I
Yes, sir.
just want
Please.
everyone to be clear till here. Now let me share my screen again. Okay. So now let me go to GitLabs. Right. So now we are in Java November batch, right? So you can see like whenever we are creating a project first time, one branch is getting created here, main, right? So this one only we are using to check out. Whenever we are checking out, you can see here in this project, right? So you can corner, you can see main. It's a main branch, right? So what is another thing which I did? I make it unprotected, right? I don't want anyone to. I want everyone to update this branch, but this is not the case. When you are going in real production, right? So they will not allow you to touch main branch. It's not allowed. This is very important branch because this, if you are modifying, see, you can see everyone in the team can able to change the main branch, right? Even developer is changing the main branch. So what will happen by mistake if he is modifying this code, right? So it will cause problem, big problems. Even crores of dollars will get lost if something is modified in main project because it's a live, right? So I will tell you another example. What is the meaning of live, right? So consider like your MBBS student, right? So initially they will give a toys to try, right? So they will give some training by using some what we say like mock uh, things, and you are not going to work with the real people. So you are going to try with animals, rats, and other things. Then once you are becoming expert, they will give small tasks, right? So just check the BP and sugar like that. So later stages, you can go a little more level and you can do work, right? So similarly here, when a new doctor is coming, they will not give experiment directly with the live body because it's uh, it's very expensive and one person is getting any problem by new doctors will cause a big issues, right? So first you need to try. Then another thing, like just consider like you're trying driving, right? So what you will do, you will directly start with car. No, you will do some video games, right? Then slowly you will go in a plain a calm place and then you can try the car. Then later once you are becoming expert, then you will come to traffic one, right? So this main is a real project. Real project means it's a live project. No one should be able to modify this until unless someone is monitoring and approving, right? So normally when you are creating a main project, don't touch the main branch. This is a default branch. This is very important branch. No one should modify it. So then how the developers will work on this code, right? So what you will do is whenever you are having a branch, right? So you will create 3 levels. Let's create 3 levels, right? First, I'm going to manage builds. Where is my repository? Let me go to my repository. This is my repository, right? So you can see branches here, right? So now what I will do is, if I want to give to junior developers. What I will do is I will not touch the main branch. I will create a new branch. What I will do? I will create a new branch. Main branch will remain same. I will create a new branch. I will say, okay, branch name. I will get develop. From where I need to copy the code, I need to copy from main branch. So what I'm doing is I'm just, as a safer side, I'm creating another branch, right? So which is called dev. Just let's have shortcut, okay? Development branch, and I'm creating a branch which is a copy of the main. Okay, I'm creating a dev branch. So now you can see here I'm having two branches. One is main, one is a dev. But still dev is also important because 20 or 30 people are working, right? So if they are modifying the dev also, it will impact other developers, even it's not live, right? So still I want this to be also protected. So I will make dev branch also protected. So then from where developer should start, okay? What the purpose of when developer is starting the user story or any task, what he need to do is he need to create a branch from dev. So what will do? He will create a new branch. He will create from dev. He will create his own branch, means Anish branch. So now all three branches, Anish, main, and dev is all having same code. Okay, so there is no different in code because I am copying from main, and then I am copying from dev, and I am copying from Anish. So Anish is specific to me, right? So I can play with it, I can delete it, I can modify it. I don't need to worry about any tension because it's my own branch, right? Once I am very good, what I will do is I will make my changes with the dev. If everyone reviewed, everyone is okay, then what they will do? They will include it main, right? There are three levels of we will take a care because it's a very difficult, very important to have a main branch. Okay, so always when you're having any critical project, they will not allow you to access these two branches. Okay, one senior person will handle this, and this one will be handled by even a technical architects and managers. So it will have multiple approvals. It's very critical. No one should touch it directly. They also will be monitored by your lead. No one should able to touch it without his approval. So only thing which you can do is you can create a new branch and which is with your name, you can play with it. You can spoil it, you can break it, no need to worry because it's your branch, right? So, but these things are very important branches. You should not touch it. Hope you understand till now. Everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So again, I'm repeating the main branch is a key branch. It's having real coding and it is a very important. If you're modifying it, it will have lakhs and crores of rupees impact. Okay. Second branch is a dev branch. It will impact complete your team. Okay. So you need to be little careful when compared to this, it's okay. But you need to be careful because you are impacting other developers' work. Right? So this one is second level. Third is your own. Whatever you want, you can play with it. Right? So now how to move this code to upper branches? Right? So now let me try to check out. I will delete this code. Which one? My homework code. Okay. I will delete it. Now I deleted it. So now when I'm checking out, you can see some special things. So now I'm going back here. Now you can see code is there. So I will copy a branch, right? So then I'm coming back here. I will be cloning it. So how I can clone it? I'm going to git perspective, creating a clone. Now I'm having same repository, whatever I'm having, right? So you can see when I'm clicking next, you can see I'm having three branches. Previously, I used to see main only, right? Now I'm having main, dev, and Anis, right? So what I will choose, these three also I can choose, no problem. But I don't want to modify mistake also dev and main. So I'm removing these two. Okay. So then what I'm doing, I'm clicking it. So it's Ani's branch. My branch is Ani's branch. So I no need to worry. Finish. Right. So now it came. So how I will do? I will import my project. It's all the same project. There is no difference, right? But I don't want to disturb others project. So you can see here in corner for you both three, right? Huzaifa, Saeem, and Srikanth. You can see here main, right? But I can see only Anis. So now I can modify these files. I will delete this. Right? So now I deleted it. I want to commit this file. Okay. So this I am doing in Anis branch. I can do whatever I want. I no need to worry about anyone, right? So what I will do, I will add. I'm going to delete. You can see delete also. I need to commit. When I'm deleting it, you can see one cross button is coming here. You can see small cross button in gray color.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what I need to do, I am deleting it. So I added it. So for me again, Eclipse is having problem, right? So I will restart for it. Okay. I will share this recording also. I want you to repeat this process because this is very important when you are going for live. Okay. When you are going as an experienced developer. Okay. Now my Eclipse is getting ready. So now I'm clicking my project. Now you can see readme, I deleted cross button, right? So now I'm adding deleting record. Okay, commit and push. Now it's deleted, right? So now when I'm coming back here, so now I'm having Anis branch, right? So let me refresh it. So now my file is deleted. But when you're going in other branches, it will be there. My it's there, right? Then in dev, it's there. Only where it deleted in Anis branch. So now I save, right? So even I mistakenly deleted also, I'm not impacting other people's code. So now how I can move this code to other places, right? So what I will do is you can see here one merge request is there. So in other GitHub, in other places, it will call as a pull request PR. Okay. So you need to click this PR and you can say like I want help in fixing this one. Okay. So I'm creating a merge request. So what I'm saying is like I deleted record as it is duplicate. I am informing other people, right? So what I'm saying from Anis into main. I want to merge the request from Anis to main. So what are the changes I did? I will show you that one also. So I'm saying like dear my manager, I see like the code is duplicate. So deleting the file. If you are okay, can you please merge it with the dev? So I'm giving information to him, my manager, stating like I'm deleting that branch. So can you please merge? But here I'm doing main, so I change it to from main to dev. So here you can see this is source branch, this is a target branch. I need to dev, not to main. Main is next level, right? So now I will compare what are the changes, right? So I will compare it. Now you can see changes. So what did I deleted readme to delete file, right? So there are many things getting impact. Okay. So now I deleting the duplicate record. So here also I can add description why I'm doing it. I can assign it, right? To whom Anis only I am assigning, someone else is there, then I can assign them also because other no one is there, so I'm not able to assign other people, right? So it's okay. So I once merge, I want to delete my branch. Anis branch should be deleted because already done. So or I don't want to delete it, so I can remove this. Now what I am doing is I am sending a request to my manager stating please merge the changes from Anis to Dev. Okay, so delete it as it is duplicate. Okay, so now I am creating a merge request. So in other language, we in other like GitHub, in other places, they will call it as pull request, PR. Shortcut form is PR. But when you are using GitLab, it will show MR. Okay, so MR means merge request. Now I'm creating a merge request. So now once I am creating it, it will go for approval. Okay, so now you can see like it is come for my review. Right, you can see manager will see that it is having some changes and I need to review it. So who did the changes? Anis. And who assigned to Anis? So I need to review these changes. Right, so now what I will do, I will go commits, I will see how many commits happened. So Anis committed it, right? So what are the changes he did? Right, if I'm having any doubt, I can ask him, right? Anis, why you change it? Can you explain? We purposely duplicated it, something. I can give the comment, then I can start review and I can add the comments. Okay. So once I'm done with, I'm okay. I'm happy with the changes, right? So I will say mark as done. I will review. I will say right, approve, request change or something. I will approve it. Okay. So I'm saying like I am good with the changes, what you did. Right. Then I will submit review. So now what I'm doing, I'm approving the changes. Right. So my review is done. Okay. So now what we need to do, we need to merge the request. So what I will do, see, you can see Anis approved it, but even I can add multiple approvals. So now I'm going here. So what happened? Deleted that code. So I'm good with the changes. Anis approved, right? So now what I will do, I will merge this changes. You can see here merge, right? Merge means I am moving my changes from Anis to Dev. So if I want, I can delete it, right? So I'm deleting it, merge. So now Anis branch will not be there. Okay. So now I'm going back, branches. Where is Anis branch? Anis branch is not there. Why? Because I merged it. I no need it. Even if I want, I can keep it. Now, when you're opening the Dev branch, right? Now you can see the changes done by Anis. So it deleted. Right? So now code is getting deleted from Anis to Dev. So again, if I want to move this to main, what I need to do? Again, I will go and I will create a merge request. I will create a now lead is doing. What he will do? He will create a new merge request. He will create from. He will create from
Dev to main.
Dev to main. Okay, because already one change is done, it is going to main branch. So I'm creating a compare and create a main branch, and I will assign same process I will follow, but we should not delete it. Dev branch should not get deleted. Very important. Okay. So now what we'll do? Code is good. We can move to main. Please approve. I'm saying to my next level architect. So here I can give it to some architect. Then I will say reviewer. Then I will say don't delete any source branch. Be careful here because development branch is very expensive, right? So normally you will not be having access to delete it, right? But still, if it is enabled, don't delete it. Okay. So now compare and merge request. You can see what are the changes again. So you are deleting readme to file, right? Because it's coming from Anis branch. So now create a merge request. Again, it will go for approval. right? Your review, I will approve it. Okay, your review, and I can approve, right? Good to go. Submit review. Now it is approved. Then next is merge. So I should not delete it because it's having the thing. Okay, I will just merge it. So now we are having all the changes in dev and main. If you are going in main branch, you can see both the changes. Right here also, we are having one file. In dev also, we are having one file. So always we will be maintaining these two as a same. So now let's go back to our theory. I will start from initially, right? So we'll be always having a main branch. It's a very important branch. Then we'll be having a dev branch. Then we will be having our branches. This is called feature branches. Right? All developers will create their own branches. Right? So then this one is a main. This one is a dev. This one is a developer 1, developer 2, right? Developer 3. This one is a developer 4. This one is a developer 5. This is called a dev. This is the main, very important. No one should touch it. Very, very, very important part. Right? So this one is next important. Right? This one is no problem. You can play with it. Okay. So now, once you are doing changes, what you will do? It will go to first. It will go to dev branch. If it is getting approved, it will go to main branch. Okay. Then you can delete it or you can keep it. It's your choice. Right. So any questions still here? So I will go next level. Are we good till here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's go a little more detail. So one problem is when we are having this, let's see this. Okay, so what D1 is doing is he created one star. He did the changes. So what he did, he made this code here. So previously all the code is same, right? So even main, dev, and D1, D2, every code is same. It's only a copy. Okay. So what D1 did is he added one star. Okay. So then what he did, he committed the code. It came here. He made the code. It came here and it went to production. So now these people are not having this star, right? So what will happen in this case? It's outdated code, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So always what you need to do is when one developer is developing and committing daily, when you are opening your project, you need to pull the changes. So once he's committing to dev, so all the developers' responsibility is to take the code from dev. They need to pull from origin. Okay. So one developer code is went. If they are missing, there is a chance that they will overwrite it. So always before you are committing, your responsibility is to pull the changes from dev and then commit it. Otherwise, what will happen? Just consider in this case. Okay. So he added this one. Right. So what will happen is he mistakenly he will overwrite this. This is not possible. We are having other testing also, because it is getting reviewed by a manager, right? So there is a conflict also will come. But as of now, if he is doing mistake, what will happen? He is going to override the code done by D1, right? So you need to be very careful before he is modifying the changes, right? So he need to pull the changes, right? He need to pull these changes, and then he need to commit the changes. Then what will happen in this case? Both code will go to here. Now this developer, when he is pulling, he will get these two changes. He will modify something here, right? Then he need to push these changes here, right? So all these things will happen. So all the code is separate. So you need to be very careful. Whenever you are committing, make sure that you are pulling the changes from dev, right? Once you've done all the changes, right? So what you will do? You need to push these changes to main. You understand this, right?
If you are doing in the morning, in the middle, someone has done the changes, and we are also giving at the end of the day, then
Yes.
how will it
So it's very
get
good question
included?
actually. It shows that you understand it well, right? So what will happen is, like, when you are developing, so most of the cases, you'll be doing very frequent updates, right? Pull, right, pull, right, pull urgents you will do. So it's not only a day, you will be doing it many times in a day. But unfortunately, there is some chance, like, you might miss some changes. For example, you think like you're doing a bigger change, right? So other people are doing smaller changes. Then your manager will request you, don't you commit the code, but don't pull the changes, because your code is very important, and other code should not impact your development. So in that case, what you will do is, there are some times like these all changes are not there in D4, right? D4 is not there. So now he want to push it, right? So he is not taking updates also. So all these three codes are there, but D4 is not having these changes. So he will do his own code changes. It is coming as a line. So with right. So D4 is having only these changes. So what he will do is, when committing his code, he will pull all these changes. But the problem is, there is a conflict. One thing is called conflicts. What is the meaning of conflicts?
Errors.
Same code is changed by two developers or multiple developers, right? So in this case, one reviewer and these two developers should sit together and should work together to fix this error. Got it? Because the same code is modified by other people also. In this case, you need to resolve the conflicts, right? So which code is important, which code is not important, if both codes can be merged, all those things we need to decide here in this particular area. So one senior person will sit with you and he will resolve the conflicts. Got it? Are we good? It's very important class, because it's mainly if you're going as a real time, you'll get a lot of questions in this particular area. Hope everyone clear, right? Hello. I want acknowledgement or questions. No problem.
Sir, could you please explain it again? Just only previous slide only.
Yeah. So let me
Yeah, this
go with code itself, right? So now in Eclipse, right? So now I am adding one line. Okay. So same as int a is 10 and b is equal to 20, right? And then enter sum. So I'm just calling cal c is equal to new cal, right? Then I'm calling c dot add, right? A comma b. Okay. So this one is written by Anis. Now Srikanth also did the same code. Okay, but he added as a b. Right? Both people done same code changes in same class in same line. Okay. Another thing what he did is he added as a 2. Right? So now the problem is if two developers did this change and they are pushing the changes. So what will happen if you are merging both? So there is a duplicate code. Right? Like this it will come. Yes or no?
Yes,
Then
sir.
this is at least fine. What about this? Ani is given 20 and Srikanth given 2. Which one we should take? So it's called conflicts. Two developers doing the same changes in same line, right, or same process, then what will happen? It will create a conflict. You cannot able to commit. So it will call merge conflicts. We'll call it as merge conflicts. How to fix it? So manually we need to see the changes, and I will say, okay, Srikanth code is important here. So let Srikanth code will be there. Remove my code. Okay, then here I will say my method is important. I want to use the C, delete this. I don't want Srikanth one here. I want to use my one. So one places I am giving important to Srikanth. It look like it's correct. So here I will say like it's my code is important. I will add it here. Right. So then I am resolving the conflict. We would call it as resolve conflicts because you are working on same set of code. Right. So we need to resolve conflict. So one person you can say like border conflicts, right? So border conflict means two countries are trying to grab the same land, right? So they need to sit together and they need to solve it. Similarly here also, when you are having a two same line of code accessed by multiple developers, they need to sit together and they need to resolve the conflict. Got it? This is called merge conflict. Hope you understand.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. No. Any other question? Now I will take another 10 minutes and I will close it. So before that, we'll go again. We will be revisiting this particular area very frequently because it's having a lot of things to be discussed. In future also, I will come back to this, but I want a basic thing to be covered here. Okay. Now let's move to next level. Okay. So now what will happen is like whenever you are having a main branch, right? So then you are doing this particular stuff. The many developments are happening. You can see 4 developers doing different things, and it's going to dev. And you are moving every time you are going to release the project to servers, right? So we'll go in detail. So what will happen is in some cases, so there is big problems will come, very big problems. Okay. So in that case, application will go down because of one developer mistake. So for example, one developer, what he did is he created one change here. Okay. So let's go with this developer. Okay. He created one change here. Okay. So it's also merged, properly merged, and it only this went to production. Okay. This one is a big problem. Okay. So now how will we go to production? We will create another branch which is called release branch. It's a copy of a main. Okay, it's a copy of a main in that particular date. For example, I will say like, let's go with some other good color. Okay, so now release on 25th Jan. Okay, we create one branch, release 25th Jan. So now it is having these two changes. Okay, so this is called release branch and it is having these changes. Okay, so now it's running. So suddenly, because of this change, right? So release got failed. Production will be an issue. So now what we need to do, we cannot wait this process like a D1, D2, D3. For example, let's consider one scenario. Okay, so in one Munna Bhai MBBS one movie, one person will get accident, right? So or he took poison, right? So when he is going to hospital, they are holding him because of some process. They are saying like fill the form, do this thing, do this thing. They are asking the things, right? So then he will come to him and he will say like, so person is dying, why you are following the process, right? So in emergency cases, we cannot follow the process like create the feature branch and then create a push this to main branch, development branch, and then go to main branch. So we'll not follow these steps when any emergency is getting happened. Okay. So what we need to do in that case? So what we'll do is we'll take one branch directly from main branch. What we'll do? We'll not create any other branch from development branch. We'll create a branch from where? Main branch. Okay. So once we are getting in main branch, what we'll do is main branch will be copy of this one. So hope I am not overloading you. So now we are having main branch and we created. Okay. So now this branch is called hotfix. Hotfix branch. What will call it? Hotfix. Okay. So this branch is very important because it's not following any process. So this process it's not following. It's just skipping this process. Why? Because there is an emergency and we are having issue. Now what we'll do is we'll fix only that issue which is causing here. What is the issue? This thing. We'll delete it. Then what we'll do? We'll raise a merge request directly with hotfix to main branch and we'll fix it. Right? Then we'll create another release branch. We will not use this. Now we are creating another release branch. And we'll move this changes to production. Okay. So now production is safe. Right? So this is release 25. 25 Jan V1. Okay. So now do you feel any problems will come in future? Hope no one is sleeping, right? So in this case, I did some process. I skipped some process, right? So because of this, any issues will come? Anyone is guessing?
Yes, it's a late process because some production is stopped.
Yeah, so we are bypassing it, right? So it's very fast fix. Within a day, we can fix it,
Yeah.
right? So if I'm doing this, what is the other issues? So now let's take that example itself. Like you are bypassing the steps and you are moving the patient directly to treatment, right? So what will happen in this case? What are the risks will come?
Evidence will be lost if
Evidences will
anything
be
is brought.
lost, right? So another thing, you are bypassing some process, even you don't know the name of the patient, right? So you're directly taking him and you're taking what is the reason, you don't know why it is getting fixed, you don't know. So you're just taking and you're trying to save his life. That's a good thing only, but you are skipping the process. So what will happen in this case, particularly, you can see that code is real still there with buggy in this place, dev, right? So that problem is already there, even though you fixed it in main, but you can see again if he is merging, what will happen? The issue will come again, right? Because development environment is having that issue, right? Hope I'm making sense, right? Again, what will
Yes,
we
sir,
do is
understood.
this developer will raise a merge request. What will happen again? It will come here, right? In next future branch, you'll get again the issue, right?
Yeah, right.
So what we need to
Maybe
do? We need to
if you go
again,
for with an example, I think it would be better. I think
yeah, same thing. Yes, we
example
can
with
see this
directly.
image.
Okay.
You can see this image like you fixed it. Now it's a free, right? Release having problem, you fixed it. Now hard fix is having fix. Mine is fixed and mine is clear, right? So release branch is good here, right? This one is good. So now this developer again raise a merge request. What will happen? So what will happen? Someone mistakenly approve it. So again the issue will come in main branch, right? Again it will go to next release, same issue. So what, right? Next release is, for example, February you released it. So again the issue is repeated. Why? Because you just done copy from main, but you are forgetting to fix in dev. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So what will happen whenever you are doing hotfix? Need to do reverse engineering. You need to pull the changes to all your development environment also. So once you fixed in main, right? So then you given to release. It's your responsibility to do the reverse merge. You need to rebase. You need to rebase till this level. You need to delete. Once you done, for example, you are moving to patient to ICU at the same time, you need to ask someone else to follow the process. They give the treatment, but don't miss the process. Parallelly, you record his name, you send to you call police station, right? You can take other formalities, but start the treatment, right? Same thing here. So whenever issue is happening, start the treatment, fixing it. You try to save him. At the same time, follow the process also, fix in other places also. Okay. But you cannot fix this because release is already happened. Once you are releasing it, right? So done. You need to create a new release only. Okay, any questions? Are we good with theory? I will summarize and I will close it. Okay, first thing what we did today is like we have created the repository. Then Saim has created one repository. Then he added Srikanth as a member, as maintainer, right? So maintainer, then he shared his project to him. So what Srikanth did is like he checked out the code and he modified the code. He pushed the code. Then it went to again Saim Khan. So he saw like the changes are there. So he was good with changes, right? So he added the comments. Then what he did is he added another team member which is called Huzaifa, right? Huzaifa did some changes, but she's a developer. She cannot able to modify anything related to branches and other stuff. But she can able to modify the code. She did the changes. She committed the changes, and then again it to come for Srikanth. At the same time, it went to Saim also. So we did that practice, and then what we did, we understand the branching concept. It's a branching concept is like whenever we are creating a main branch should be very safe because it's a live environment. So you should not touch anything which is related with main. It's very serious. So what we need to process, then main will be taken care by very senior people like technical architects and other people, senior people. And then what we need to do, we need to create one duplicate branch from main branch, which is called dev. Dev is little serious branch only because all the developers code will be there and it should not get spoiled directly. So we'll be having another layer called feature branch. Feature branch or branch from developers. Each developer can create their own branches. It's their own playground. They can play all the games in their branches, but they feel that they did a good job, then what they can do, they can raise a merge request or pull request. So pull request will be the process of moving your changes from feature branch to dev branch. So once you are creating a merge request, that will get reviewed and approved or rejected by your senior who is your team lead or tech lead. So he'll review changes individually. If he feel like the changes are good, then he will approve the changes. So those changes will move to dev branch. So once the dev branch is stable, so tested, everything is going good, then dev branch will raise a request to merge with main, and that will be reviewed by a senior technical architects or any client related people. So they will review the code and they will approve the changes. Once they get approved, development changes will go to main branch. So main branch again, if you want to release, you can create one release branch and you can share with the develop production environment. Okay. So third level is some critical issues happen, right? Some emergency happen. In that case, you will not follow this process. You will create one special branch which is called hotfix branch, which will be taken from directly from main branch, right? So and you will fix it and directly you will push it to merge with main branch. You will not follow other process, right? So then the separate release branch will get created after testing, that will get released immediately. So how these details will get populated? Then again, you need to take the details from main to dev and dev to each individual developers. The code should be get merged. So any questions still here? I took a little more, but I want to conclude this. Any questions? Any questions? Are we clear? Hussein,
Sir. Clear, sir.
Pratyusha,
Sir, clear, sir.
okay. Ashwak,
Clear, sir.
Sana,
Clear, sir.
Umar sir, why you are silent?
No, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay. The homework is like till now, whatever it did homework, right? So till now, I want that to be available in their own Git repositories. Okay. For
Okay.
example, Sana did one project, right? So all the homeworks, what she did, it should be in her own repository, and that should be a public one, and that should shade in our share with you, Umar.
Okay,
So
sir.
they should share with you the links. Okay. So once they are sharing the link, they can I will publish it in our complete Nellore repo. So Nellore community, so that each one should have access to all other people's. Okay. So don't worry whether it's good or bad code. Okay. So let us have community where we can share our code with all each other. But create it as a public. If you are creating a private, no one able to access except members. Okay, so if you are creating a private repository, no one will able to access. Normally, in every company, they will create a private repositories only. Okay, so but in our case, we want to share our code with others. So always create with public, and as we are having only 5 members limitation, so we can do it with 5 members sharing only. So I would, but if you are creating as a public, so all can check out, but they cannot able to commit the code. Okay, so everyone able to check out the code and they can use it. So I just want to create a page also here so that you can try the process which we are discussing. Okay, so I would suggest like Huzaifa, Sana, and Pratyusha can form one team. Okay, so can you note down, Umar? Huzaifa,
Yes.
Sana, and Pratyusha should be a part of one team. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so what they need to do is like Sana can create a repository as a owner, and Huzaifa as a developer, right? And Pratyusha as a maintainer. So we can have this 3, and I want all the process what we did, right? So make the main as a protected only. Don't change main as a protected. So we should have 3 branches: main, dev, and feature branch. 3 branches we need to create, and all we need to create the merge request and pull request. All those things should be done. Okay. So another set is like Ashfaq and Hussein Khan and Srikant to be part of one team. And
Ashwak,
I think
Hussein. Ashwak, Hussein.
Hussein, Srikant,
Okay.
and Umar and Saim
Okay.
can be a part
Okay.
of one team.
Okay, sir.
Okay, even you can include Asif,
Okay.
so we can have a 3 members team. So I want to see all this process like you need to create a main branch. Main branch should have all the code. Then you create a feature branch. Sorry, dev branch. These 2 branches should be protected. So no one should be able to touch it directly. So feature branch you modify, create a merge request, and that merge request should be approved by other team members, not the same people. Okay.
Okay.
So are we good? Okay, team. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.